You have been baking for years, but I promise you, you're still making at least one of these mistakes, and that's why your bakes are not bakely perfect. Hi, I'm Chef Ananya, and today I'm going to tell you all the mistakes you have been avoiding. The first mistake is opening the oven door too soon. I know we all want to see what's happening inside, but that's not the right way. The more you open the oven door, the denser your cake is going to be because that's where the heat escapes. The second mistake you have been doing is using the cold ingredients. Never use the ingredients directly from the fridge because whether it's a butter or an egg, your batter will not mix properly, and that's where your cake will feel very heavy. So always make sure to use room temperature products. The third mistake you have been doing is over mixing your batter. We all know that gluten is very good for your breads but not for your cake, so make sure you're not over mixing, otherwise your cake might not come out very well. The fourth mistake you must be doing is using expired baking soda or baking powder. We all know that there is a very important role of our baking soda and baking powder in the kitchen, but if it's old, it's useless. So please throw that bottle because flat agent means flat cakes. The fifth mistake you must be doing is not preheating your oven, and that's a very common mistake everyone does. So make sure you're preheating your oven for at least 10 to 15 minutes because you will lose the early rise. The sixth mistake you must be doing is not working with a weighing scale. Please do not work with any kind of cups or spoon because baking is chemistry, not a guesswork. So you have to make sure that you have the accurate measurement which comes only from your weighing scale. The seventh mistake you must be doing is oven rack placement. Always make sure you're baking in the middle rack because too high burns the top and too low burns the bottom. The eighth and very common mistake done by everyone is not sifting the dry ingredients. It is very important for you to sift all the dry ingredients because sifting removes the lumps and makes your batter very smooth and the texture comes out very nice. The ninth mistake you must be doing is blindly trusting the oven dial. Whatever oven shows the temperature, we just trust it immediately. But you have to make sure that you're investing in a good thermometer because by the end of the day, it's a machine and not all the machines says the truth. And the 10th mistake that is very common, the last but not the least, is working with cheap quality of ingredient, whether it can be your maida, chocolate or vanilla, because we all know it's a very simple math. The best quality of ingredients you're gonna work with and the best quality of products you're gonna get. So these were the few baking mistakes which I have been doing but not anymore. So tell me your baking mistakes which you have been doing till now so that we all can learn and grow together. Till then, happy baking and keep growing.